Hi guys, so I got a Profitec Move a few weeks ago. Brilliant machine, absolutely loving it, but it had a known issue that the power button, this one, would just die. It would only work when it's pressed in, and when you just leave it, when it pushes back, it would just close. So this is a very well-known issue with this machine. Thankfully, I went through my dealer and they sent me a replacement. So I'm making a video documenting the process of installing it. So first thing first, I got the filter removed and I've also got the drip tail removed. Now I'm going to try to open the screws and try to get inside the machine. So I got these all 4 holes removed. I believe it was 2.5 mm hex screws. So that was easy, and now it would just come off like that and you have access to the internals. So now what we're trying to do, you see there's a gap here, so we don't want to remove this panel. I mean, it will come off anyway, but we don't need this. What we're trying to do is we're trying to remove this panel, and this is a seamless single panel. So the screws are at the bottom and they're also secured with these at the ridge. I believe they're 4 screws, so I have to unscrew all these 4, then I'm gonna unscrew from the bottom after laying the machine flat. So I got those 4 screw panels, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one was a bit hard to access because of the lack of space, and now I believe this bottom panel should be connected from the bottom. So I'm going to flip over the machine on the bottom, that's where the towel is for, and try to access the screws on the bottom, and then I should be able to remove these panels. So the machine is on its side now, and as you can see, these are the panels holding the outer shell. So I believe these 4 are the ones that I need to access, and then I should be able to remove this and access the internals. Once you get the bottom screws off, a little wiggling and the whole panel just slides off. So I'm just gonna try to slide this off and put it on. So now the machine is, the panel is removed, the exact one that I want. Ideally, this panel, if I could remove this, would have been much easier to work with, but I think that's pretty complicated. So this is the switch we're trying to replace, and this is where it is. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's actually a ring plate behind it. I need to unscrew that, and that should be done using hands or pliers. So I just unplugged the first one and I realized I won't be able to remember any of this, so I'm gonna mark this up in a way so I can remember and put this back again, because the colors, there are 2 blues on the left and the other side is 2 brown, so I don't want to lose track of the numbers and their orientation. So yeah, a good idea is to mark them before taking them out. Guys, this part wasn't easy. I had to use a socket wrench to get it out. I tried everything. I tried these pliers as well, nothing worked. I had to find a socket wrench. So the size required is 26. I couldn't find a 26, but I found a 27, and I had to just, you know, try my luck, and yeah, it came loose through that. And once I've loosened it, kind of like the power switch kind of comes out now, and just like that, it's working again. Whoever said this was an easy plug and play, it's not. This thing was really hard to get out. You cannot get it out without a deep socket wrench. 26 or 27 will do. Ideally 26, but I couldn't find it, so 27 was it. I could like unscrew it using 27. And the other part was putting back the machine was not easy as it sounds. If you do it upright, the screws will keep falling inside, so you can't do that. So you have to do it sideways, so that even if it goes sideways, you can just pick it up. Use gravity to your advantage, and yeah, that's it. So the machine is back running again. I just unplugged it in. Yeah, that's how you install a Profitec Move replacement power button.